Welcome to this inspirational story. This is the story of a man who failed many times in his life. People laughed at him. Many told him to stop trying. But he never gave up. Through hard work, patience, and determination, he changed his life forever. This is the story of the man who failed but never gave up. Listen carefully, and remember, sometimes success comes after many failures. Chapter 1: A Big Dream. There was a young man named Daniel. Daniel lived in a small town. His family was poor, but Daniel had a big dream. He wanted to build a successful business. Every day he watched successful people on the internet. He read books and listened to stories about success. Daniel said to himself, "One day, I will change my life." But the road was not easy. Chapter 2: The First Failure. Daniel saved a little money. After many months, he started his first business. He was very excited. But after a few weeks, something went wrong. No customers came. Daniel lost all his money. He felt very sad. But deep inside, he still believed in his dream. Chapter 3: People laugh at him. Daniel tried again. This time he started a different business. But again, it failed. People in his town started to laugh. They said, "Daniel always fails." Some friends told him to stop trying. They said he was wasting his time. Daniel felt embarrassed. But he continued. Chapter 4: Learning from Failure. Daniel started to understand something important. Failure can teach you. So every time he failed, he asked himself, "What did I learn?" He wrote his mistakes in a notebook. Slowly, Daniel became smarter in business. He understood customers better. Chapter 5: Hard Days. Months passed. Daniel worked many small jobs to survive. Sometimes he felt tired. Sometimes he felt alone. There were nights when he asked himself, "Should I give up?" But every time he thought about quitting, he remembered his dream. And he kept going. Chapter 6: The 100th Failure. Daniel tried many ideas. Some were good. Some were terrible. After many years, Daniel counted something. He had failed 100 times. Many people would stop. Many people would give up. But Daniel said, "I will try one more time." Chapter 7: A New Idea. One day Daniel had a new idea. This idea was simple. But this time, he used everything he learned. He worked carefully. He listened to customers. He improved his product again and again. Slowly, something started to change. Chapter 8: Small Success, comma. One customer came. Then another. Then 10 customers. Daniel could not believe it. For the first time, his business started to grow. People liked his product. They told their friends. Soon, more and more customers arrived. Chapter 9: A Different Life, comma. Years passed. Daniel's small business became a big company. The same people who laughed at him now respected him. Many people asked him, "Daniel, what is your secret?" Daniel always gave the same answer. Chapter 10: The Lesson. Daniel smiled and said, "I failed many times. But every failure taught me something. If you never give up, you will grow stronger." And Daniel always finished with this message: never give up on your dreams. Because success often comes to the person who tries one more time. Failure is not the end. Giving up is the real failure.